Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically delete bookmarks on your iPhone home screen. So I'm just going to add like a page to my home screen first. Select share and go to add bookmark. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Add to home screen. And you're just going to name the website here, and then you're just going to select add. And then it's going to be on your home screen, as you can see right here. To delete that bookmark, it's super simple. You're just going to select the bookmark here and then select delete bookmark. It says delete bookmark. Are you sure you want to delete the bookmark bundle? Select delete. And that is pretty much how you can delete bookmarks on your iPhone home screen. What that basically means is that you like bookmarked a website and you place it on your home screen, so you can like access it a little bit easier rather than looking for it first. For instance, you want to like save some recipes on your homepage, you can absolutely do that, but that's if you like are done and you want to like remove it, I guess. So yeah, that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is how you can delete bookmarks on your iPhone home screen. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to also turn on that bell notification icon so that you won't miss a video from us. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.